Hi, my name is Etienne, and let me introduce you to something I've been working on for quite some time now, a CMS called Picaro. Picaro is a little bit like WordPress or Squarespace. It's made to create websites and manage its content. It is, however, much smaller in scale, and it's really made to quickly and easily build personal web pages or portfolios, without having to use big platforms or subscription services. Picaro is free, and it's something you use on your computer. It's not a software as a service. It has three main features. The first one is that everything is included. You don't have to set up a database or a server. You just have to download and start Picaro to begin working on it. The second feature is that it's modular. You can design your own data with exactly the fields you need, making it ideal for stuff like a resume, a movie database, or just showing your work, for instance. Likewise, the layout is also modular. You can set up as many blocks as you want with the content you need where you need it. It has several ways to display that content, and you can also set up filter blocks to filter contents, like links, for instance. And everything is easy to rearrange and edit on the fly to find the right layout for your website. The third and most important feature is that you can export everything as a static website, which means that you don't have to buy or set up a server with a database or a back end. The great thing about that is that if you purchase a domain name, you'll often have a little bit of free space bundled in. So you can just take your static Picaro, drop it in there, and it will just work. You will have a website with a domain name for just the price of the domain name. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also use Picaro as a normal CMS with online edition. Both options are available out of the box. It also has a couple of other tricks up its sleeve. You can have multiple websites inside one Picaro with their own content and design, which is handy if you have different projects and you want to keep all of them in one place. There are a few mobile tools, so you can decide which content to hide and which to put in the mobile menu when it is viewed on a phone. Lastly, Picaro has a few handy design tools to set up colors and fonts, for instance. I'll add more features and modules and refinements along the way. There's a roadmap post if you want to know what's planned. But as of now, to use Picaro, you just need very basic command line knowledge to start the app and generate the website, as well as some CSS to make it look nice. But the aim is to make it as beginner friendly as possible. And that's it for now. If that sounds interesting or useful to you, there are links in the description if you want to follow the project. You can start Picaro on GitHub or join the Discord. I'd be happy to help if there's any question, hiccups, or discuss new features. Thanks a lot for staying to the end, and I'm looking forward to any feedback. I hope you enjoy using my little software, and see you in the next one. Bye.